very severe vomiting and all, right? So for that, what do you use? Antiemetics. One very important point I have to highlight here in antiemetics, I will tell it now. So the two drugs which we use in antiemetics is, one is chlorperazine, and the second one is your metoclopramide. Prochlorperazine, another one is your metoclopramide. Now what is the problem with this prochlorperazine is that this prochlorperazine will block your D2 receptor, that is your dopamine receptor. So it is going to block your dopamine receptor. Guys, very simple thing, just remember this thing. Let's say here this is a pivot over here, this is, here you have got acetylcholine. I have kept a bucket of acetylcholine here. I have kept a bucket of dopamine. Usually what happens is that this acetylcholine and dopamine levels are almost equal like this. They balance each other. Okay. If I'm blocking the dopamine, what will happen? Dopamine levels will come down. When dopamine levels will come down, which is on the top now? Acetylcholine. So what acetylcholine will do? It will cause very severe, intense muscle contractions. And that condition you call it as acute dystonia. Okay, so it is because of sudden blocking of dopamine receptors, the levels of dopamine will drop down. So when the levels of dopamine will drop down, this is how it looks. Dopamine, when the levels of dopamine are dropped down, then acetylcholine is on the top, and that would lead to a condition called as acute dystonia. That would lead to a condition called as acute dystonia. What is acute dystonia? Sudden, involuntary, painful contractions in your body is called as acute dystonia. One of the classic feature, if you see in acute dystonia, you would come across is oculogyric crisis. Oculogyric crisis. What is oculogyric crisis? Is that the patient eyes, it gets rolled up like this and it gets stuck there. Okay, it gets rolled up and it gets stuck there, and patient will have very severe eye pain. Okay, so this is one of the very important thing which you need to know. Okay, so this is a side effect of your prochlorperazine. And next important thing, we have discussed about the acute. Now we have to discuss about the preventive things. Okay, preventive or your prophylactic. Okay, so for preventive or prophylactic, guys, just remember 3 drugs. However, you will discuss on pharmacology, that is why I'm not stressing more on the drugs over here. So beta blockers, metoprolol and all, and you will also take anti-epileptics, and third important thing is tricyclic antidepressants. You know, amitriptyline. Let me write this down also. This is amitriptyline. And anti-epileptics like topiramate. And second important thing is your valproic acid. So these are the basic drugs which you use. Okay, so let us go back and write down these things. What are these? I told you that these are your flashes of lights, right? Zigzag aura, and this is your flashing lights. And what is this? This is your blind spot. Flashing lights as well as your blind spot. So this is all you need to know regarding what? Regarding migraine, guys. I have also told you the differences, because the reason why I told the differences between tension type headache and migraine is that you guys basically confuse between that. So that is why I have told here. So this is all the topic. I hope you understood, guys. I want you to learn the notes. I will send it in the group. Okay, just message me down below the video. You will have an Instagram group, right? So just click on that Instagram group, or just take my number, which I should not the right thing to do, but yeah, but just take it. I'll send you the notes. 6305 884465, right? So those who watch the video till the end will know the number. So you message me, I'll send you the notes. Okay, still I haven't created any group so far, but after this video, I think I'll create a group and then dump all my notes over there. Okay, so this is all I need, guys. This is all you need. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye, take care, and love you all.